Russian warships, boats, and support vessels of the Pacific Fleet leave their permanent deployment points and start crossing and operational deployment in designated areas of the Sea of Japan, the Sea of Okhotsk, and the Bering Sea to carry out tasks as part of strike, ASW strike and mine warfare groups, and amphibious squadrons within the framework of the SNAP combat readiness inspection. Along the route, the crews practice various algorithms of actions when performing tasks at sea, including the organization of damage control at sea, ship's passage through bottlenecks, and training with operators of navigation radar systems. During the inspection, the knowledge and practical skills of watch officers in sailing and maneuvering ships in a formation when carrying out dispersion tasks in maritime areas as part of tactical groups and in organizing air and mine defense. On supply vessels, the readiness for rescue and resource support of actions of ship task groups in maritime areas was checked.
Terima kasih sudah nonton. Jangan lupa like, subscribe, dan share ya.